You love the Nightingale.
Oh, you're that cheap.
You know what you told yourself. What did you tell? What did you tell? What did you tell? Stupid, that's what you said. What did you tell? What did you tell? What did you do? You took it away.
I don't want to hear it.
Remember when you told me something? What did you tell? What did you tell? What did you tell? What did you
Keep on.
If you'll give me the jewel sword.
Sing. Why do you stop?
First I must have the golden crown.
Keep on.
The nightingale sang about a quiet churchyard where the white roses grow, and where the elder trees scent the air, where the fresh grass is watered with the tears of those who grieve.
It's my garden you sing of. Oh, and I'm filled with a longing for it.
Thank you, little nightingale. I have driven you from my palace and banished you. Still you have driven the evil visions away from my bed and removed death from my heart. How can I ever reward you?
I received tears from your eyes the first time I sang for you. I'll never forget that. But it was the little kitchen maid who summoned me to your bed. It is she who should be rewarded. But sleep now, my emperor, so you become well and strong, and I shall sing for you. Good morning, Emperor. How do you feel today?
I feel fine. In fact, I feel splendid. I shall break that clockwork bird into 1,000 pieces.
Oh, don't do that. It has done what it could. Keep it as before.
But you must always stay with me. You must never leave my side. And furthermore, oh, there I go again. Would you stay? You shall sing only when you like.
No. Let me come and go as I please. I will sing to you of all that is good or bad which is kept from you. For I love your heart better than your crown. Yet there is one thing you must promise me.
Anything.
Let no one know that you have a little bird who tells you everything. Then all will go well with your kingdom.
Ladies and gentlemen of the court, the funeral will begin promptly at 1. The master of imperial music has composed a lengthy dirge.
Lengthy, but since it memorializes our beloved emperor, no dirge could be too long.
A funeral feast of splendid proportions is being prepared in the great kitchen.
In what order shall we march? Do we have a new emperor?
I was just coming to that.
Good morning.
And so, with the help of the wise little Nightingale and the loving kitchen maid, the Emperor ruled all of Cathay for a very long time. And all his subjects, be they exalted members of the court or humble peasants, came to know and love him for his generous spirit and his kind heart.